Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 20th, 2026. Yesterday I posted a video about what we've been up to the last several days, so there hadn't been any videos for a few days, so I hope that explains everything that's been going on. Air quality today's, I'd say, poor as far as my estimate. They're calling it mild with the smoke contamination and all. It is beautiful other than that. I mean, we had everything look orange or yellow when it was real bad here. And you hear the birds. That does make me feel much better. So anyways, I don't know that I'll video very much today. Bud had dropped off some more wood chips up here. I'm up above the wood terrace, above the to the east of the eastern garden plot. So I had Bud start moving wood chips up to this part of the property here, where it's very wet in the springtime, because we have a low spot over in this section. We got the roadway through here, and just have the weeds growing up all over here. I'm so far behind, dang it. And so I had him start moving some of the wood chips up here. So I did come up and spread out, well, I think he had 4 or 5 loads here. So I spread some of those wood chips out up over in here. We need a heck of a lot more up here. And I need to bring the soil conditioner up here as well and start doing work here. But I'm completely behind on everything. The shallots need to be harvested. They're right at the point, well, the garlic and the shallots, but the whole sugar shack where we have the drying racks is completely full with everything. So we'll have to figure out how we're going to deal with things. And the air quality's poor. Thea's sciatica is well, it's persistent pain she's in. It's not where she has to lay flat all the time. She can get up and move around and do some things, but she's in pain all the time. And believe me, I know how that is. That's terrible. So I don't know what I'll film today. And we're in a drought. At least there's some dew here this morning. And I gotta say, the Limo robotic mower, that has been doing so well. It's been fantastic. But I'm going to have to get on Buzz. That's a Kubota zero-turn mower, and knock down some more areas and all, so I can add more spaces for the robotic Limo robotic mower, and that's called choppers, so that he can take on. I'll create another zone, in other words, so that he can take some more. The good thing about the drought that we're having, the grass isn't growing nearly as quick. But as you know, the weeds go like crazy. So weeds are popping up pretty darn high. And I'm just quite honestly feeling a bit overwhelmed, but we're going to do what we can do today. I just sort of partially unboxed the Meet One trike. I want to get to that. But if you saw yesterday's video, we're just a bit overwhelmed, and we don't know what the air quality is going to be the next few days. They're calling it mild health conditions today. And the skies aren't orange, and it isn't like a fog, which was all the smoke. So it's much better today, but it's not enjoyable. Anyways, I've got a heck of a headache here. I've had one for several days. And so I think I'm just going to go get on Buzz and see if I can get a little bit of mowing done. Okay. We'll see what we record today. Not sure we'll get much recorded. Here we go.
I don't wear a crown of silver or gold, just worn out boots and stories told by rivers that cut through the timbered ground and winds that never settle down. I I've walked where the beaver builds his home, watched old trees turn back to bone. But in the decay, there's a deeper plan that teaches me who I am. And I don't claim to have it all figured out. I'm just learning what this life is about. We're just stewards of the land, passing through, trying to do what we were born to do. Plant a little hope in the dark, rich soil, watch it grow from the sweat and toil. No empire left, no stone carved name, just a wild world, never quite the same. If I did anything right in the end, I learned to listen more than I defend, to the whispering winds across the sand. We're just stewards of the land. There's a truth in the ponds and the standing trees and the quiet hum of the honeybees. Every vine that climbs through the autumn air has a story that's already there. And I've made my share of wrong and right, fought with the land and learned from the fight. Now I know it's not mine to command, just something I try to understand. And the more I build, the more I see, I'm only borrowing this life and these trees. We're just stewards of the land, passing through, trying to do what we were born to do. Plant a little hope in the dark, rich soil, watch it grow from the sweat and toil. No empire left, no stone carved name, just a wild world, never quite the same. If I did anything right in the end, I learned to listen more than I defend, to the whispering winds across the sand. We're just stewards of the land. So let the rivers run, let the forest breathe, let the old world teach what we need to believe. We're not above it, we're part of the thread of all that lives and all that's dead. We're just stewards of the land, hand in hand, trying to do the best we can. No final answer, no master plan, just a man learning from the land. And if there's a truth I understand, it's love grows deeper in the soil and sand. Yeah, all I ever really am is a steward of the land. We both came from broken roads, carrying scars nobody could see. Two hearts looking for a place where life could finally be free. You didn't see my children as something standing in the way. You loved them like they were your own, and that changed everything. The laughter came back slowly, the house felt warm again, and before we even realized it, a new chapter could begin. We built a life piece by piece, dream by dream, board by board, through long days and late nights, working side by side for something more. A barn for the horses, a home for the family. We weren't building buildings, we were building memories. Piece by piece, year by year. Looking back now, the picture's crystal clear. You had horses and a farmhouse. I had land and plans to grow. Together we started planting seeds neither one of us could know. We bought another acre, then another one or two. Every fence we stretched together made our little world brand new. The garage came first, then the barn rose to the sky, standing proud against the sunset, like a dream we'd brought to life. We built a life piece by piece, dream by dream, board by board. Through long days and late nights, working side by side for something more. A barn for the horses, a home for the family. We weren't building buildings, we were building memories. There were bills and there were worries. There were days we felt worn down. There were animals to feed and kids to raise all around. But every challenge made us stronger. Every struggle helped us see the best things in this life are never handed out for free. What started as a simple dream became something much more. A place where family gathered, a place worth fighting for. We didn't know back then what the future had in store. We were just two people building something to adore. We built a life piece by piece, dream by dream, board by board. Through all the seasons of our lives, we found what we were searching for. The horses in the pasture, children running wild and free. What we built wasn't just a homestead, it was our legacy. Piece by piece, year by year, standing here beside you, I'd do it all again from here. One board, one fence, one dream at a time. That's how we built a life.
Well, things went fairly well today. I was able to get the almond forest mowed, most of the first food forest mowed, off to the side of the first food forest mowed. Really happy that Chopper's Limo, the Limo robotic mower is doing as much as it is doing. So then I went ahead and I used Earthquake, the walk behind weed whacker there, battery operated one, and I did more weed whacking out there, so that worked out as well. Just got a couple more emails I got another email from my accountant and one from the attorney, the tax attorney and all, so I got to go in and get some paperwork together for them and get that off to them and the IRS as well. So that about wraps up today's video, folks. I really appreciate you watching, your comments and all. I hope you stay safe. If you're in those smoky areas, do the best you can not to breathe that stuff in. It certainly is really bad for you. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye now.